Yes, you are right, Jacob. That is a track. There's a few of them here. Yep, I got more here. There's a hoof mark there. Another hoof mark. There's a lot of deer signs around here, boy. Yep, there's a lot of deer signs around here. After seeing all that rutting.
That's pretty big.
Well, this is.
Oh,
He's got a little bit of rutting over here. He's scraping over here. Look. Look, guys. Look. Yes, it's fresh. Look. See this? This was just done probably.
Right today.
Yeah, this morning. This morning, maybe yesterday. Maybe yesterday. But that shows you the size of the antlers. Yes, I almost did say horns, guys. But I meant to. What I was going to do is say the tines when they're scraping in the tines on the antlers. Oh, well, we got some chaga over here. Oh, we got a piece of chaga sitting there.